Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making several natural homemade face masks, in particular 4 different ones. So we're gonna make acne fighting mask, cooling and hydrating mask, nourishing one, and detoxifying one. I strongly believe that neither you or me better go to the store and buy like 5, 10, 15 different products for a DIY mask. So I made sure that every mask that we're gonna make today is made out of only mostly 3 or even 2 ingredients. So yeah guys, let's get started with the first one, the acne fighting mask. So for this mask you're gonna need a bit of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Mix salt and turmeric in a separate dish, add some honey, mix everything well, and you can apply it to your face. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, salt helps to clean, reduces inflammation and infection, honey is nourishing the skin. Also, it increases skin healing and regeneration. The more turmeric and salt you add, the more effective this mask is gonna be. The more honey you add, the more gentle it is. Don't forget guys that turmeric may stain your skin. It may leave some kind of yellow tone on your skin, but it is easily removed with a makeup wipe or a bit of a makeup cleanser. The second mask is cooling and hydrating one. So for this mask you're gonna need a small cucumber and a squeeze of aloe vera gel or a bit of aloe vera juice. Grate the cucumber and mix it with some aloe vera gel. Then put this mixture in a fridge for 30 minutes, and after cooling the mixture you can apply it on your face. Cucumber is known for its highly hydrating and smoothing properties, while aloe vera is filled with a lot of vitamins and boosts skin radiance. Use a clean makeup brush and apply it gently on all of your face. You can leave this mask on your face as long as you want, but usually I rinse it off and it just dries out. Next, let's talk about the nourishing mask. So for this mask you're gonna need some avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of overnight oats. Mix all the ingredients and put this mixture in a blender. My blender wasn't working really well, so there's still some little bits left and the mask wasn't really in a smooth consistency, but anyways it still worked. So when you have a paste-like consistency you can apply it to your face. Oats have moisturizing and calming properties, honey helps to regenerate and smooth the skin without feeling oily, while avocado is extra nourishing and packed with healthy oils. The last mask I want to talk about is detoxifying/purifying one. Also, it's really messy, so keep that in mind. So for this mask, you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of activated charcoal, and a 1 teaspoon or a bit more of your favorite oil. I personally use coconut oil, but I know some people do not tolerate it at all, so I think just use any oil of your choice. Use the one that you really know is good for your skin and doesn't cause breakout. This mask cleans the skin really well because oil breaks down all the makeup leftovers, activated charcoal absorbs the toxins, and also works as a gentle scrub. I usually use this mask on a special occasion, for example if I'm modeling and makeup artist put the silicone-based makeup on me and my skin just doesn't approve silicone-based makeup and I have to deep clean it really well if I don't want my skin to break out the next day like crazy. I do this mask on this type of occasion, but it's really hard to remove, so I usually remove it with like a shower gel or soapy water, but it's really likely to happen that you'll have some charcoal left around your hairline or ear, so just use a cotton pad and some makeup removal or makeup cleanser lotion and just work gently and very serious where you still have some charcoal left, and it should remove it pretty well. Okay guys, few little bits to talk about. So firstly, you have to apply each mask with a clean makeup brush, apply it on your face and leave it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes or as long as you want. I don't think it's necessary to keep it on your face for longer than 30 minutes. Next, I highly suggest doing a patch test before you apply the mask on your face. So prepare the mask and put some of it on, let's say, your arm or like your neck, and look what happens, because you don't know how you may react to some ingredients, and I don't know if you have some kind of food allergies, so it would be really wise to check it before you apply the mask on your face. And lastly guys, when you prepare the mask, use it right away. Don't keep it on a counter for like 5 hours because it's going to go off and smell really bad. Make sure you're using fresh ingredients that you do not have allergies to. That concludes today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was interesting to watch. If you have your own recipes, please leave them down below in the comment section. It will be really interesting to read them all. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and we'll meet in my next video. Bye guys!